Right then, something we get asked for regularly is an induction kit for transporter T5s and T6. Up until now, we've not really had a quality solution, but we've been working with the guys at RamAir and we've finally come up with a kit. So as you can see, this is everything included in the box. We've got two separate kits. One's for the earlier T5 and T6 models, and then a separate kit for the T6 bi-turbo models. This is everything included, and you get sort of a quality installation manual as well. And we're just going to do a quick installation video so you can see what's involved. It's relatively straightforward. I think the majority of people installing this will be doing it on the driveway, so we're just out in the yard today. Right, we're all done. Installation time's about an hour, give or take. Be a lot easier if you're not trying to film it and time lapse it on a GoPro. Here's a quick look at the tools we've used. We'll put a little overlay in explaining exactly what you need. The only thing that's not mentioned in the fitting guide, we've just used a little bit of Loctite on some of the smaller M4 bolts. They have got lock washers, but better to be safe than sorry. So let's fire it up and have a listen. I think you'll agree there's been a noticeable improvement in sound. We've also got another van booked in the next couple of weeks. We're going to back to back on a dyno so we can see exactly what performance improvement we've got. So if you do want to grab yourself one, link will be in the description below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If there's anything else you want to see guides on, just let us know. We'll try and sort something out. Cheers. Bonus material. All your original airbox fits back inside the box that's provided, so you can just stick that in your garage or in your loft somewhere.